Hello and welcome. Today, are you ready to discover the unique flavors we have to offer you from all over Turkey? So let's get started. Our first stop comes from the southern Turkish city of Adana. Adana kebab is a legendary delicacy served with barbecued spicy minced meat. It delights the palate with its tender and spicy meat. Adana is famous for its warm Mediterranean climate and fertile soil. Located in the historical Cukurova region, Adana is also situated around the Seyhan River. Now we are on our way to Bursa. Iskender kebab is another classic of Turkish cuisine, served with thinly sliced doner meat, yogurt, and butter sauce. It will conquer your heart with its flavor. Bursa has the title of being the first capital of Turkey, and is one of the favorite cities of the Marmara region. It is famous for its historical buildings such as the Grand Mosque and the Green Tomb. How about trying manti, the famous flavor of Kayseri? Served with meat, spices, and yogurt in small handmade dough, this delicacy is one of the indispensables of Turkish cuisine. Kayseri is a city with historical and cultural richness located in the heart of central Anatolia. Located at the foot of Mount Erciyes, Kayseri is also a gateway to Cappadocia. We're going to Gaziantep and we will give you a taste of lahmacun. This delicious delicacy, cooked with a spicy minced meat mixture poured over thin dough, is eaten all over Turkey. Gaziantep is a historical city located in the southeastern Anatolia region and is the 7th most populous city in Turkey. Gaziantep is also a gastronomic city included in the Creative Cities Network by UNESCO. Do not pass by without trying baklava, which is also one of the unforgettable flavors of Gaziantep. Prepared with thin phyllo dough and walnut filling, this dessert leaves an unforgettable mark on the palate when it meets sherbet. Gaziantep has been home to many civilizations throughout history, and this rich history has also shaped the cultural structure of the city. How about trying sig kofti, the unique flavor of Urfa? Prepared with spicy bulgur and pomegranate syrup, this snack is a healthy and delicious option. Urfa is a historical city located in the southeastern Anatolia region and is home to many religious and historical sites. Balıklıgöl is one of the most important tourist attractions in Şanlıurfa and attracts many visitors. You should definitely taste kumru, the street flavor of Izmir. This snack, where sausage and salami meet between fresh bread, is one of the delicious street flavors of Izmir. Izmir is one of the largest cities in the Aegean region and attracts attention with its historical texture. The Promenade, Alsancak, and Konak Square are popular tourist attractions in Izmir. Don't leave here without trying the anchovy tava, one of the freshest seafood of the Black Sea. Anchovies coated with thin batter and fried will be an unforgettable stop on your flavor journey. The Black Sea region is located in the north of Turkey and is famous for its natural beauty. With its lush nature and delicious seafood, the Black Sea is an important part of Turkish cuisine. Now how about tasting gözleme, one of the local delicacies in Cappadocia? Fresh vegetables and meat are cooked in the oven and served in this dish. Cappadocia is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Turkey and is famous for its unique geographical structure. Fairy chimneys and underground cities are among the most important tourist attractions of Cappadocia. We are in Istanbul with a sweet finale and we recommend Salep. Prepared with hot milk and goat horn powder, this drink will warm you up on cold winter days and will be a sweet ending. Istanbul is the largest city in Turkey and is rich in history and culture. With its unique view of the Bosphorus, historical peninsula, and rich cuisine, Istanbul is one of the most fascinating cities in the world. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey full of amazing flavors from all over Turkey. Keep discovering the flavors you must taste before you die. Turkey's flavor journey awaits you. Modern Twist begins. Now let's immerse ourselves in a visual feast that celebrates the rich tapestry of flavors Turkey has to offer. As we revisit each dish, notice the vibrant colors and the exquisite textures that make Turkish cuisine a true work of art. Watch as the juices of the Adana kebab sizzle on the grill, its fiery red hues promising a burst of spiciness and flavor. Behold the Iskender kebab, gracefully layered with hot, melt-in-your-mouth slices of lamb over pita, generously draped with yogurt and buttery tomato sauce. Gaze upon the delicate manti, tiny dumplings beautifully arranged, topped with garlicky yogurt and sumptuous spices that tell tales of ancient caravans. Observe the lahmacun as it comes alive, the dough so thin and crisp, topped with a rich, spicy meat mixture, each bite a testament to the soul of Gaziantep. Marvel at the golden layers of baklava, each leafy sheet of phyllo dough shimmering with sweet syrup and finely chopped nuts, a masterpiece of patience and craft. Witness the chig kofte, as it is expertly kneaded, its bold, earthy colors a dance of textures and flavors, raw and powerful. Admire the kumru sandwich with its soft bread encasing a heart of coal-grilled sausage, cheese and tomatoes, a street-side whisper of Izmir's coastal charm. Contemplate the anchovy tava, the silvery fish lined up neatly, fried to crispy perfection, a flash of the Black Sea's bounty. Savor the sight of güveç, the stew bubbling gently in its traditional clay pot, each ingredient mingling under the low heat to create a symphony of flavors. Finally, let the steamy allure of Salep warm you, the creamy orchid root drink dusted with cinnamon, a soothing embrace on a chilly Istanbul evening. Each dish not only feeds the body but also nourishes the soul, weaving together the historical threads of Turkey's diverse regions into a vibrant culinary tapestry. Join us in celebrating this visual and sensory journey, a tribute to Turkey's enduring culinary heritage. In this serene interlude, we delve into the heartwarming tradition of Turkish tea, an integral part of Turkey's cultural fabric. Let us transport you to the lush tea gardens of the Black Sea region, where the vibrant green leaves blanket the rolling hills in a breathtaking display of nature's bounty. Here, the journey of Turkish tea begins. As we glide through these verdant fields, observe the meticulous process of tea picking. The skilled hands of the tea farmers select only the finest leaves, ensuring that each cup embodies the essence of quality and tradition. Transitioning from the sun-kissed leaves to the steaming cauldrons, witness the art of brewing Turkish tea. In traditional tea houses and homes, the kadenlik, a two-tiered teapot, steams quietly on the stove. The upper pot holds the strong brew, while the lower one gently boils the water, creating a perfect harmony of strength and subtlety. Now visualize the myriad settings in which Turkish tea brings people together. From the bustling markets of Istanbul to the tranquil seaside of Antalya, tea is more than a beverage. It's a moment of connection. Watch as glasses of tea, tulip-shaped and brimming with deep amber liquid, are shared among friends, family, and even strangers. Each sip accompanies lively conversations, silent contemplations, and heartfelt hospitality. As the day winds down, join us in a typical Turkish home, where the ritual of tea drinking unfolds with grace. The clink of glasses and the murmur of voices fill the air, encapsulating the essence of Turkish hospitality and warmth. Turkish tea is not merely consumed, it is savored, each cup a testament to a tradition steeped in history and enriched with every pour. In embracing this simple yet profound tea culture, we see a reflection of Turkey's soul, welcoming, resilient, and endlessly generous. Let us carry the spirit of this beautiful tradition with us as we continue to explore the rich tapestry of Turkey's culinary and cultural heritage.